Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Bay Roberts local and long-distance movers near me. When you need a cheap Bay Roberts moving company, you also want a team you can depend on. 3 Movers is the right team for your next local or long-distance move. Our team offers plenty of options to make sure you get the best services for your move. Whether you're moving from your home, relocating your business, or sending a student off to college, we can help you. Your long-distance move will benefit from the following options we offer you: packing services, moving supplies, on-time move, and upfront pricing. When you choose to handle your relocation with our help, you get a team ready to save you time and energy. We know how to help you move more than 100 miles away, even if you need to go across the country. A local move might seem easy, but without a good Canada moving company, it can become overwhelming in a hurry. You still have to pack up everything and move it to your new location. Even if it's just down the road, it's a lot of work. 3 Movers offers the best team for your local move. We know how to streamline the entire process to save you time and energy on your move. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Bay Roberts moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.